Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your SamCart, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you add an image or a photo into one of your SamCart pages? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to add an image or a photo into one of your pages anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, maybe selling services or products, you know that by having images of the product can help increase conversions. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your SamCart dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. I've already logged into my SamCart, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to add an image or a photo into one of your pages, here on the left side, you're going to click on pages. Once you do that, you'll see all the pages you have on SamCart. So go ahead and choose the page that you want to add the image into. So for example, this one. Okay, once you do that, it's going to bring you into the page editor with SamCart. So you just want to scroll through until you find the area that you want to add the image into. As you can see, SamCart pages are split up into sections. So this is section 1, section 2, section 3. And then if you look onto the left here, section 1, section 2, section 3. So for example, if you want an image in between section 2 and section 3, all we're going to do is come over here into the left side, and you can add it directly into the section. So for example, we can add it into section 2 if we want, and it'll show up here in the bottom, or we can add a completely new section to show up here between 2 and 3. I'm going to show you both ways. So first, if you want to add it into the section 2, you're just going to click on the box, and then you're going to see it turns blue. And then what you want to do is scroll all the way to the bottom of that section. And when you do that, you're going to click on the very bottom. Once you do that, you're going to see this plus icon. Click on there. Once you do that, you want to look for this line right here, image. All right, once you click on image, you can go ahead and choose one of the stock images if you want. So for example, this computer, or you can go ahead and click right here on your files, and then you can go ahead and upload a photo or an image from your computer. For me, I'm going to go ahead and use this and Splash. Okay, once you've chosen an image, go ahead and click add one image. Okay, now you can see that we're still in section 2 right here, but it added it right to the bottom, that image, and it's above section 3. So again, the alternative to that is you can go ahead and scroll all the way to the bottom, and then once you scroll to the bottom, you're going to see this plus icon here on the left. Click on there, and as you see, it creates a new section all the way at the very bottom. So this is now section 11 down here, and it's basically the same thing. You're going to click here on plus, add image, go ahead and choose an image, click on add image. Okay, now you can see it added the image. However, if we wanted it up towards section 2, we're going to have to drag it up, and you're going to do that on the left side right here. Just going to grab it and just drag it all the way up, and as you see this line that's green, that means you're ready to go ahead and drop it. But let's go ahead and go up a little bit further right here. So between 3 and 4, but let's go ahead and put it right here between 3 and 2, and once it's green, just drop it. And as you can see, it just drops the image right in there. So we have the mountain right here for section number 3. Once you're done, go ahead and click on publish here on the top right. Once you see this pop up, click on publish page. Okay, now it's processing. Okay, now the page has been published. So there you have it guys. If you're wondering how to add a photo or an image into your SamCart page, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.